Good evening, I am Denu Nair. I am head of engineering in a reputed company in Pune. I know CarX for the last 5 or 6 years. This time I came to put some accessories like 360 camera and Android system in my on my dashboard and some screen guard and other things. Um, to tell the fact is that CarX is an amazing association which I have, which is dating back to almost 8 years. In beginningly, I started with buying mobile hand holders and other things. Reference was given by my friend, and then afterwards I brought many products, everything like seat cover. Then I just lost the count of whatever I brought from here. So every time I brought major purchases. Yeah, one more thing, I also installed LED lighting for my VW Polo. Um, and performance was amazing. I took it for an all-night drive to Kerala, and it was absolutely fantastic. I mean, I love the professionalism of CarX, and I look forward to have even more long association with CarX. Thank you.